Hey friends, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. We'll talk about how to become a family leader. That is our today's topic. The family is the basic building block of society. If you are to reduce each nation to its smallest social unit, you realize that families are the backbone upon which nations are built. The stronger and more balanced families are, the stronger and more balanced the community will be. Strong communities assure us of even stronger nations. To build up families that contribute positively to the growth and development of a nation, there must be someone who infuses each family member with ethics, producing responsible individuals. Someone from within must teach all family members the importance of honesty and hard work. That role falls to the family leader. The right leadership leaves its influence on generations to come. Part of the reason for the decline in the quality of human life we see and experience in the modern setup is because of gaps in family leadership. Few people want to take up the leadership role in the family, and it leaves us with irresponsible members of society with loose morals, no values, and low tolerance. This is probably why there is so much going on in the world today, and most of it is not a good reflection on humanity. Most of the marital, financial, and parental problems which have led us to broken families and disjointed communities are because there is no one to lead the family. To reset the balance, we need people to set up and accept the role of leadership within their families. It does not matter whether yours is a conventional, single-parent, foster, or child-headed family. Someone can still step up and take it upon themselves to lead and inspire others to be better. One person can still ensure that they foster an environment that supports each member of the family to thrive and reach their full potential. Someone can step up and play the role of the guide, leading each member to greatness. The role of a family leader. A family is like any organization. The success of both requires guidance and direction from someone who holds the vision. The most common vision of a family is to endow each member with values that will carry them through their lifetime. Values define us. They consist of our belief system, the very fabric upon which we build our existence. Each family needs someone to outline those values. It needs someone to knit together the moral fiber that fosters acceptance and tolerance of all. Regardless of our differences, it is the leader's responsibility to inspire each member of their family to strive to be positive contributors to society. The family leader guides each member of their family to become the best version of themselves, which leads to healthy, successful individuals in the community. Regardless of the dynamics that lead to different families we find today, each family needs someone to step up and make decisions, even during tough times. Families face trying moments, and the leader has the responsibility of offering both comfort and solutions. Family leaders offer advice using a perspective based on life experience, education, and wisdom. The leader sets the tone in the home. If you want to build a loving family, give and receive love openly. The same goes for trust, respect, and other outstanding qualities that build up stability in the family. As the leader of your family, when you establish your family values, you have just taken the first step in creating the culture of your home. Every other person takes their cue from you. on how to behave and how to treat others. Creating a culture of respect, love, trust, and togetherness in the home can lead to closer families. It is the responsibility of the family leader to ensure that they create an environment that allows this. Being a leader can be intimidating, but it is needful if you want your family to thrive in all aspects. Leadership is a skill, one that you gain over a period. You do not have to always get it right to be a good leader. You just need to put your best foot forward and learn as you go. How to become a good leader in your family. So, here are some points how can you become a good leader. Lead from a place of love. When you take on a leadership role in the family, it's not an opportunity to rule with an iron fist or become overbearing. Everyone responds to love. When you lead with love and respect, your family will always look up to you. They will listen when you speak because they understand that love is the driving force behind your every action. Build trust. People are likely to follow and listen to someone they trust. Become trustworthy by keeping your word and remaining true to the values that you set. Communicate effectively. Open lines of communication are important. Healthy families communicate well. Communication is a two-way street. As a leader, you must speak and also listen. Be honest about your expectations from each member. Do not expect everyone to know what you want them to do. Have a discussion about your goals as a family and everyone's role in ensuring the attainment of those goals. Give them the opportunity to share their opinions. This way, everyone contributes meaningfully and helps build up the family. Develop a growth mindset. Learn how to be a good leader. Things around you are constantly changing. You must adapt and learn alternative ways to lead. Develop yourself and grow, which will inspire those you lead to do the same. A good family leader does not force their opinions on the ones they lead. They inspire and trust those they lead to use the lessons they have learned to help them make moral decisions and be better people. You can become a leader in your family by becoming an exemplary role model. Become a positive influence and shape your family's future. Be the leader that your family needs. Thank you for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel.